This is an iPhone 15 Pro Max, not charging, and we're gonna fix it here. It doesn't look like it's getting any amps, there's no charge, it does seem a bit wiggly, and we're gonna give it a cleaning, and I'm gonna show you guys how to clean it. We'll get it out of its case here so we can get the proper tools to clean it out, which will be these fine pointed tweezers. I will link them in the description below, along with any other tools that I may use. So I am disappointed in Apple in deciding to do USB-C ports in their iPhones. I mean, it's just like a bunch of different chargers now that everyone's gonna have laying around their house, just like how they didn't want that in the UK. But the USB-C ones seem to pick up a lot more debris and get damaged a lot easier. We do the cleaning here, and you just got to work your way gently around the edges, and then just like slowly pick at it, and you can get the stuff out. I'm gonna speed it up here, you guys, so the video isn't so long, but it is quite a tedious process, especially if you don't have the tools to get in there. You're gonna have a real hard time getting this thing cleaned out. After loosening up the debris inside, give a good old blow with the air duster. Any sort of blowing tool will work. And then I'm gonna grab some alcohol and my electronic toothbrush. You can use just a regular toothbrush or an electronic one, but I recommend not using one that you use to brush your teeth every morning, because that would be really gross. And this is just any other day alcohol that you could get at Walmart. It's just like isopropyl alcohol, 99%, and then just give it a good old spray in there, a little drop, and just give it a good scrub. And then you'll blow it out a second time, and then you should be good to try to put in your charger to see if it worked. This one, I actually did look in the microscope at it, and it had some erosion to the plastic around the edges of the charge port, so it's causing it to still be wiggly after cleaning. And I've actually ran into this issue with a couple iPhone 15s I've seen, is that little middle part where the charger connects on, it just erodes over time with chargers being plugged into them. USB-C ports are way more fragile than Lightnings than I've ever seen, and since I've been doing phone repairs for about 5 years. There you have it, folks. That's how you clean out the charge port of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. We got it working. It was definitely worth it. And I'm just gonna slow down the speed of the video here so you can see. Boom, it connected. Worth it!